Hi, I'm Steve Harper from YourCreativeLife.com, and the question of the week this week is, do you need a contract as a writer? Now, there are people out there, I know what you're thinking. Some of you are like, oh, contracts, that's so complicated. That's so legalistic. That's bigger than me and my project combined. I can't possibly do anything like that. But I'm here to suggest otherwise, because most of the time, contracts as a writer are really, really useful, and you can do them in a very simple way. So think about it. If you get a small, short deal memo or simple one-page contract that you can find on the internet and revise for your own purposes, you do a couple of things. Number one, you state very clearly who's in charge of the project. If you're working on a collaboration with people, it's very important to know if money comes about, how are you going to split it? 50-50, 30-70? Those sorts of things in a very simple contract are very important. And even if your project has no money attached at all, having a simple one-page deal memo that you revise basically tells your team whose project it is, who's in charge, and how the hierarchy works, and what people are working for. Sometimes they're working for credit, sometimes they're working for a little bit of money, but those things are really important to clarify right away. We've seen all these stories in the news over the past several years about people who show up, having worked on a project, who show up later and insist that they helped create it, or that they're owed some money for being a participant in the project. And a very simple deal memo up front should clarify all of those things and just set the terms for a wonderful, focused, joyful collaboration. Do you need a contract as a writer? Most of the time, yes. And you can create a very simple one that sets the terms and allows everybody to collaborate in a spirit of friendliness, openness, and honesty.